Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Device Connection right away. Then you need to tap on Bluetooth at the top and click on the gray switcher to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this icon next to your paired device and choose Unpair under Rename. Then to connect to the same one, click on it and select Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!